Hi guys, I'm Manasa and let's continue with our topic constructions. In the previous session, we learnt about the basics of constructions. In this session, we'll be learning about division of a line segment. What do you mean by line segment? A line segment has two endpoints with a definite length. So, a line drawn between 2 points, we can call it as a line segment. So coming to construction, the first construction we will be doing is to divide a line segment in given ratio 3:2. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ನಾವು 3:2 ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. Guys, please do it along with me so that you will not have any confusions later. So now first ನಾವು ಈ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ we need to divide the line segment in the ratio 3:2. First, let's draw a line segment. Line segment ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? Between 2 points. So first let's draw a line segment. And suppose this is A and this is B. Then draw a ray. ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂದ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ರೇ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೇ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಟ್ ನೋ ಎಂಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎ ಜೊತೆ ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಥರ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ರೇ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈ ರೇನ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ray AX is making an acute angle with line segment AB. And next ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ray AX ಮೇಲೆ 5 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ 5 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್? ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ 3:2. ಸೊ 3 + 2 is 5. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎ ಇಂದ 5 ಆರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಆಫ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್. ಈ ಥರ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಗಿ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಲೊಕೇಟ್ 5 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ 5 ಆರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಕಾಂಪಸ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಲೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ A1, A2, A3, A4 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ A5. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ A1 should be equal to A1 A2, A2 A3, A3 A4 and A4 A5. All the lengths should be equal. The measurement has to be equal. Now join point B to A5. Fine. As we have to divide it into 3:2 ಅಂದರೆ 3:2 ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ A5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಕ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರಾ an arc at A5. Without changing the radius of the compass, same radius, draw an arc at A3. Okay. Then adjust your compass to this measurement, this one. Okay, got it? Now cut this arc with that measurement. Got it? Now join A3 through this point to line segment AB. So these two lines are parallel now. Now let's name this point as C. ನೀವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the line segment is divided into 3:2 ratio if you have seen A3 A5. So this is 3 parts and 2 parts, so it's in the ratio 3:5. So this is how we construct a line segment. I mean, we divide a line segment in the given ratio 3:2. So guys, coming to steps of construction, first draw a line segment AB. Line segment AB. Then draw any ray AX making an acute angle with AB. We need to draw, now ಒಂದು ray draw ಮಾಡಬೇಕು at the point A that makes acute angle. Acute angle ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Any angle that is below 90 degree ನಾವು acute angle ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So this ray AX makes an acute angle with line segment AB. Next, locate 5 points A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 on AX so that A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3 is equal to A3, A4 is equal to A4, A5. So ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಒಂದು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಕಾಂಪಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ನ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, 5 ಆರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕೆ? ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಷಿಯೋಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 3:2. ಸೊ 3:2 ಇಸ್ 5. I mean like 3 plus 2. So 5 arcs draw ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, that is of equal length. Then join BA5. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? B ನ A5ಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Next, ನಾವು we drew a parallel line to BA5 through the point A3. Through the point A3, draw a line parallel to A5B by making an angle equal to angle AA5B. Okay, at A3 intersecting AB at the point C. So after joining BA5, ನಾವು BA5 ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ at A3 to point C. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ABನ it intersected at point C. So now we can tell that AC is to CB is equal to 3:2. ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, can you see 1, 2, 3 parts, then 2 parts. ಸೊ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ನಾವು 3:2 ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಜಸ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್, ಸಿನ್ಸ್ A3 ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು A5B, ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ A3C A5Bಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇದು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದು ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಪೋರ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿ ಥಿಯರಮ್. ನೀವು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತೇ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. A3 by A3 A5 ಅಂದರೆ A3 by A3 A5 is equal to AC by CB ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಈ ಟು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ? A3 by A3 A5 ಏನು? 3:2. A3 ಯಾಕೆ 3? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 3 parts. A3 into A5 2 parts. So we can write it as 3/2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ AA3 by A3 A5 is equal to AC by CB. So ಇವಾಗ AA3 by A3 by A5 is 3/2. Then can we write that AC by CB is equal to 3/2? Because this is equal to AC by CB. So this is the justification. Hope this is clear. So next, we have an alternative method to divide a line segment in a given ratio 3:2. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಅ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ AB. This is B. Then Draw a ray AX So guys, after drawing a ray AX, we need to draw one more ray parallel to AX from the point B. So adake now first let us draw an arc, and with this same measurement draw an arc at B. Measure this length of the angle ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಆರ್ಕ್ನ ಅದರಿಂದ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Then through that point draw an arc like this, and let that arc be Y. Let's name that arc B Y. Then a previous construction tarane we need to locate 5 points, but 3:2 A mele AX ray mele 3 points. Okay, same measurement alli BY ray mele 2 points. Okay, then now let's name these points as A1, A2, A3, and this as B1 and B2. Now join A3 to B2. Okay, this intersects the line segment AB at point C. So now if you observe, this is 3 parts and 2 parts. So now we can say that the line segment AB is divided in the ratio 3:2. So next, coming to steps of construction, draw a line segment AB. First, line segment AB draw ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Next, draw any ray AX making an acute angle with AB. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? A ray AX draw ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. Then draw any ray BY parallel to AX by making angle ABY equal to angle BAX. So ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ a ray parallel to AX draw ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಹೇಗೆ? angle ABY. This angle should equal to angle BAX. By making these angles equal, we drew a parallel line. A parallel ray. Then locate points A1, A2, A3 on AX. AX ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು equal length ಅಲ್ಲಿ points locate ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Same way with the same length ನಾವು B ಮೇಲೆ B1 and B2 locate ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A1 will be equal to A1 A2 equal to A2 A3. Same, this will be equal to B1 and B1 B2. Then ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? A3 to B2 ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So this A3 to B2 line, this will intersect AB. Line AB na point C ಅಲ್ಲಿ intersect ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Now we can say that this line segment AB is divided in the ratio 3:2. Here 3 parts, illi 2 parts. In between, it's intersecting at the point C. So now we can say that the line segment is divided in the ratio 3:2. Now coming to justification. Illi triangle AAC is similar to ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಟು ಸಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ A3C, ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ is similar to this triangle, that is B2 and C. So basic proportionality theorem inda we can say that A3 by B2 is equal to AC by BC. By construction ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತು, A3 by B2 ಅಂದರೆ that will be 3 by 2 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇದು 3 parts, ಇದು 2 parts. So we can write that A3 by B2 is equal to 3 by 2. So as A3 by B2 is equal to AC by BC, ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು AC by BC is equal to 3 by 2 ಇಂದ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So this is how the justification is done. Hope it's clear. So guys, now let's do a problem. Draw a line segment of length 7.6 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 5:8 and measure the two paths. So ನಾವು ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದು 7.6 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಮೆಷರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು 5:8 ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆ 2 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ draw a line segment of 7.6 centimeter and let's name this line segment as AB. Okay, then ivaga draw a ray AX. Let's draw a ray from the point A which makes an acute angle with line segment AB. Okay na? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಏನಿದೆ 5:8. 5 plus 8 is 13. ಸೊ ನಾವು ರೇ AX ಮೇಲೆ 13 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So locate 13 points. So equal measurements alli locate 13 points on the ray AX. Let us name the points as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, A12 and A13. Now join point B to A13. Got it? Next we have to divide it in the ratio 5:8. So now coming at A5, we need to draw a parallel line that intersects AB. So now let's draw an arc. At A13. And with the same measurement, draw an arc at A5. Now with this, take this measurement. Now cut the arc with the same measurement. Now through that point draw a line parallel to A13B Got it? Let's name this point as C. Now you can see that 5 parts, so we can write this as 5 and 8. So now we can tell that this line segment AB, which is of 7.6 centimeter is divided in the ratio 5:8. Now we need to measure the two parts. On measuring, we get that AC is 2.9 centimeter and CB is 4.7 centimeter. So AC is 2.9 centimeter and CB is 4.7 centimeter. So now coming to steps of construction, draw a line segment AB of 7.6 centimeter. First, now e line segment draw ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, that is 7.6 centimeter AB. Draw a ray AX making an acute angle with line segment AB. Then AX ray draw ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, that is making acute angle with AB. Next, locate 13 points. 5:8 alva, so 13 points on ray AX. ಹಾಗೆ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ A2 A13. ಇಲ್ಲಿ each points are same in length, like A1 is equal to A1 is A2, then A1 A2 is equal to A2 A3, so on like that. A10 A11 is equal to A11 A12 is equal to A12 A13. So all of them are equal in length. Then ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಬಿನ A13ಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು 5 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಅಟ್ A5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರೇ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿ ಡ್ರೂ ಅ ರೇ ಹಿಯರ್. ದೆನ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿ ಅಗೇನ್ ಕಟ್ ಅ ರೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಅ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. So idrinda we drew one parallel line. Through the point A5, draw a line parallel to B A13 by making an angle equal to A13B. At A5, intersecting AB at point C. So this line A5 through A5 is intersecting line segment AB at point C. C is the point dividing line segment AB of 7.6 centimeter in the required ratio 5:8. So E point line segment AB na 5:8 ratio alli divide ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. Next, the lengths of AC and CB can be measured. It comes out to 2.9 centimeter and 4.7 centimeter respectively. ನಾವು ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So AC is 2.9 centimeter and CB is 4.7 centimeter. Hope ಈ construction clear ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. So coming to justification, by construction we have A5C parallel to A13B. By applying basic proportionality theorem for the triangle AA13B, we obtain AC by CB is equal to AA5 by A5 by A30. So ಇದನ್ನ first equation ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Next, from the figure it can be observed that AA5 and A513 contain 5 and 8 equal divisions of line segments respectively. So ನಾವು diagram ಅಲ್ಲಿ observe ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ AA5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 divisions ಇರುತ್ತೆ. A5 to A13 8 divisions ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ A5 by A5 by A13 ನಾವು 5/8 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎರಡನ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ AC by CB is equal to A5 by A5 A13. ಸೊ ನಾವಿವಾಗ A5 by A5 A13 is equal to AC by CB ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ A5 by A5 A13 is equal to 5/8. ಸೊ ನಾವಿವಾಗ ಇದು ಎರಡರಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ AC by CB is equal to 5/8, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. So this justifies our construction, saying the line segment of 7.6 centimeter is divided in the ratio 5:8. So guys, hope division of line segments constructions is clear. Thank you. Meet you in the next session.